the business report. Due to excess demand, the Board of Directors of Mayberry Investments Limited has decided to exercise its option to upsize its 24-month $2.3 billion tranche 3 bond offer, which opened on January 31 and is scheduled to close on February 28. Mayberry is making an additional 1.15 billion Jamaican dollars. The 10.25% per annum secured bonds due 2027 available for subscription, bringing the upsized offer to $3.45 billion. The investment and brokerage house is advising that while the invitation is scheduled for closure on February 28, it reserves the close right to close early. The minimum offer is 20,000 Jamaican dollars, with increments in multiples of 10,000 Jamaican dollars. Digicel, the Caribbean-based telecoms firm founded by Irish businessman Dennis O'Brien, is cutting its staff complement across several markets, including its home base in Jamaica. Digicel explains that its decentralization plan would impact some roles at the group level, as well as in markets, namely Cayman, El Salvador, Haiti, Jamaica, St. Lucia, Trinidad, and the United States. The company has started a consultation period with staff that is expected to take up to 45 days. Digicel reports that it spent the last number of months carefully reviewing its organization to structure and redesign its business to be fit for growth. Digicel employs 980 staff and 5,000 overall, with a spokeswoman for the company telling the Irish Times that 1.5% of the roles would be impacted. This would indicate 75 redundancies across the business. The mostly positive results from corporate entities continues as financial results are released to the public for review. Verita Investments Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ended December 31, 2024 reports a 15% increase in its first quarter net profit. ISP Finance Services Limited unaudited financials for the 12 months ended December 31, 2024 reports a 15% decrease in year-end net profit. Cygnus Credit Investments Limited unaudited financials for the 6 months ended December 31, 2024 reports 6 months net profit of US $5.13 million. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited unaudited financials for the year ended December 31, 2024 reports 31% increase in year-end net profit. Denise Williams has more on the financial market.
For the trading period ending February 20, 2025, these were the mostly active traded stocks. Real estate and media firm Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 2,084,865 units traded, representing 16.36% of the market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 1,929,418 units traded, representing 15.14% of market sales volume. Advertising agency One Great Studio Company Limited with 1,221,713 units traded, representing 9.58% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On February 20, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $50.17 million purchased and US $67.93 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.20 per transaction, selling the US at $158.18 and buying the US at $156.98. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $3.06 per transaction, with selling at $113.37 and buying at $110.31. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.95 in profits, with selling at $198.72 and buying at $196.77.
In our credit tip of the day, investing effort into your credit health is one of the smartest moves you can make. It's not just about numbers, it's about opening doors to opportunities that build wealth and secure your future. Let's look at how we can make positive changes. First, greater confidence. Knowing you've managed your finances well builds personal and professional confidence. Or enhanced savings. Lower borrowing costs mean more money stays in your pocket. Another benefit is increased financial security. A healthy credit score can act as a safety net during economic uncertainties.